Welcome to my video. I'm assuming you know what taxes are, that has been around for centuries. You will know that they can be very annoying, but they are very important. They take money out of your income to pay for things like school, roads, healthcare, etc. You might have heard of them. Today, we'll be learning about it as we dive into the essential topic, calculating tax payable on a taxable income, including the Medicare levy. By the end of this video, you will be able to determine the correct tax bracket, calculating the tax on a taxable income, figure out whether someone has a tax refund or debt, and calculate the Medicare levy. Our learning intention for this video is to calculate the tax payable on a taxable income, including the Medicare levy. Let's get started. First of all, taxable income means the total of all income minus work-related expenses and donations to charity. Income tax means money paid to the government once a person's taxable income passes a set amount in the year, and the Medicare levy is 2% of your taxable income. Taxable income can come from multiple different sources, like your salary, rental income, and investment returns. For example, if you earned $35,000 from your job and $10,000 from investment returns, that would mean your taxable income is $45,000. Okay, now that's out of the way. Let's break this down. So in Australia, taxable income is calculated by income brackets, which is more clearly shown on this table. To help you out a bit more, if Sally's taxable income is $67,000, that would fall into this tax bracket. For our first example, say our friend Will works as a car washer and he has a taxable income of $50,000. Which tax bracket does he fall into? Let's use the previous table. Using the table, we can see it would fall into the third one, which is $45,000 to $120,000. Using this helpful template to help us work out how to calculate this tax. So for the circles at the top, we'd select the third circle as it's in the third income bracket. We need to do the brackets before anything else, so we'll put in $50,000 as that's on the question. And let's look at the table. We say we need to put in $45,000 in the box to the right. Now for the first box, we'll put in $5,092 as that's also from the table. Now for the fourth box, the table says for every $1 they add 32.5 cents. So now let's multiply by 0.325. Now if we work out this equation, it equals to $6,717. So that is a total taxable payable. Well done, that's not too hard. Let's do some more. This example will be including the Medicare levy. For example, James has a taxable income of $85,000. To start off, we'll once again find his tax bracket. We can see here that it's in the third tax bracket. So using the table, we'll be doing the same thing, and James' tax would be $18,092. Now if you don't know what the Medicare levy is, the standard Medicare levy is 2% of your taxable income. 85,000 times 0.02 equals 1,700. So with both of this information, the total tax plus a Medicare levy, so $18,092 plus $1,700 equals $19,792. That's James' total tax payable with a Medicare levy. We'll wrap up this video with one more example, which is going to be short and easy but important. In this example, we'll be learning how to determine whether you or someone has a tax refund or debt. If your employer withheld more tax than required, you get a refund. If less, you owe a debt. For example, if your taxable income was $70,000 and your tax liability was $14,000, if $12,000 was withheld, you owe $2,000. If $16,000 was withheld, you owe a $2,000 refunds for you. And that wraps up this video. We have covered the essentials of calculating tax on a taxable income. You should now understand your tax income, how to determine your tax bracket, and how to apply the right calculations. I'm hoping this video will help you when you're managing your taxes when you're older. We've touched on the importances of taxes and Medicare levy and much more. Hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.